You ready to go? Alright, it's our first camping trip. I said I would never go camping in this thing without a bathroom, without a sink. But he talked me into it.
It's a truck camper.
So where are we going?
Skidaway Island. That's what
we have tried to go.
You're telling me anyway.
We've tried to go to Skidaway Island State Park in coastal Georgia like 5 times.
Yeah, 2 hurricanes stopped us. What else stopped us? Weather usually. It's always something, so. This trip might be doomed from the beginning. Hopefully not, though.
I'm just considering this like we're tent camping.
Yeah.
If I think like we're tent camping, then I won't be disappointed. I'll be okay.
It's a fancy tent camper. How about that?
Okay, we've been traveling for about 10 miles, and I think we lost something.
Johnson & Johnson was ordered to pay $72.
No, nothing's coming. We just heard a noise and something fell, and I think we lost something.
Like what?
Something fell off the camper, and we ran it over. All right, let's look.
How does it fall off unless it's on the front of the camper? What did I do? There's a weight in the road. I bet you that was it.
A weight?
I bet you it was a weight that slung off one of these tires. I just saw it.
You bet would it have been that loud and that clunky?
Yeah. And that's exactly what it would have done.
We gotta turn around.
Can't do this with a trailer, by the way.
Yeah, just pull right around.
Yeah, I'm almost guarantee that that was a weight. See if they're the same, but I can't tell.
You don't think so?
But does that look new?
I don't know. Can you hold this so I can put this up here?
Maybe it's not. Maybe I just hit it.
Oh yeah, that's true.
What?
You could have just hit it.
Well, there we are, parked, hopefully legally. Everything up. Man, I can't believe that thing's so big and moves so easy through the water like that.
That's what that race we did the other day started, remember?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go check that out.
Yep.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Well, we gotta find a place that has a porch.
Yep, gotta find something dog friendly. It is. Little porch right there. Maybe it's like that. All right.
Well, we forgot to film. We stopped here to eat Bayou Cafe. This was jambalaya, shrimp po' boy.
We were starving, I'm sorry.
We forgot to film. Captain's hanging out. And we're on River Street. We always forget to film the food because we always eat it too fast. Oh well, sorry about that. It was pretty good.
We can report on how good it was. Great. Already paid?
Yep, I think so. Maybe not.
Park office registration information. Camper registration. That's us, I guess. They don't have it open, so I don't know what's going on.
You're supposed to get off the door. You know what's going on. They said to get off the door.
Due to certain situations, the office is closed, so we paid ahead of time. Look for our name, I guess. Harris, Gavin Harris, Butler, Connor, Crane, Watson, Pitts. Crap. Oh, there we are.
Alright, so just for the record, earlier today, he's going to edit this out. I'm sure he will, but that's okay. Earlier today, I threw this leash into here, and he told me not to throw the leash in there because it was going to scratch it up. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Alright, I'm going to... I told on you.
It's okay.
Because you yelled at me about scratching it up.
I was probably wrong anyway.
That shower, I mean, you gotta work on our sink, Mark.
Or what?
Like the inside, we need a table and...
Like that.
Oh, I cannot believe I agreed to this.
Why?
Why? Because it's not done. It's not ready to
It's not done, but it
go.
works. I mean, all the functionality's done.
No, the functionality is not done. You have nowhere to sit, no table, no refrigerator, no cooler, no bathroom, no running water, no working sink.
Oh, this is awesome, man. This is perfect for our bikes. This is what it's made for. Yeah. Yeah, so I found something cool, guys. Check this out. Not something you see every day. All the bark is blown off in one streak. Looks like lightning hit this tree to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, I think we're in the right place. Liquor still loop. Check this tree out. Pretty cool. I forget that movie was that had that old guy that lived in the tree or became part of the tree. It kind of reminds me of that.
Here's the liquor still.
Oh, cool.
It says that in the early 20th century, this was uninhabited, this island. It was reachable only by boat.
Huh.
Well, it says only be boat. Only be boat. Anyway, only by boat. It became a preferred hideout for moonshiners. Business peaked during Prohibition. Illegal liquor production continued on Skidaway almost until construction of the first bridge in the late 1960s.
We're too late.
Yep, they sold it all. Last call.
I think. Something like that. I think we're going that way. I know it.
What?
But that's fake news. Oh, look, there you go. Gotta climb up here.
What?
So they probably took down the steps. No, there's no way that's supposed to be going up. It says going up.
Well, that's just wrong.
Whew.
Why did they do that?
Okay, this is what you call roughing it. This camper's barely finished.
I consider this a tent with air conditioning.
Yeah.
So if you
Are you
think of
comfortable right now?
If you think of it as a tent with air conditioner, it's good.
Are you comfortable? How's the bed?
Yes, but in about 2 hours when I have to.
You won't let me put the porta potty in here, so.
No.
Captain likes it. He's happy. Yeah, but we got enough to sleep tonight. We're both worn out from our long bike. She says it's freezing because of air conditioning. At 5,000 BTU air conditioning, turned all the way up. Half the day it was working great. You can actually see the outside skin sweating out here.
Try to jump up there and try to jump up here. Because I said call his name. Haha. You
Oh,
did
thank
good.
goodness. Thank goodness.
Yes, here.
Okay, if there were an electrical fire, there's a window
Hey.
escape right there, and the door right here. Just so we know.
Thanks for adding that. Anyway, the shower is great.
Yeah,
You should have filmed the showers. This is just like, I'm in a hole up here, and so if I have to get down...
It's like a little cubby hole. Yeah, a little air conditioner did great. It frees you out of there. Last night would, anyway. Got a good night's sleep. Nice little spot here. Saw some deer over there yesterday. Well, that's something new. Never see deer just wandering around the campground. Look, they're just like used to it.
Well, they don't seem very scared, do they?
No, you can probably hand feed them.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally they'd be running by now. Mm-mm. I think it'll work well as a camper for us for right now. Got a lot of little improvements to make. I don't know if you guys noticed, got some new wheels and tires for the camper. Oh man.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.